Hello, my name is Vladimir Paredes. I'm 40 years old. I'm working as Sucro Al has at electronic instrumentality. And like so much my city, even though I live in the suburb. I like my city so in what I speak about and one of the most important icons in the cities. The ferry station of Palmyra is located in the 27th Avenue with 32nd Street in the downtown. Its construction is of great importance for the city because there is no other station nearby in the whole area. The fire department began in 1931 and in 1938 the station is still under construction. The station has two floors with a large garage open for fire trucks and their control station. They keep their original structure and has great significant citizen. All those who lie near the are invited you to visit the station and its surrounding so that you know about the history of the city.